Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create filters in Excel. Okay, if you have tables, if your data, you want to apply the filters. So how you can do that? So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with you. So guys, this is my demo table. So I'm going to apply filters here. The filter function filter function in Excel I will show you. So you have to select your header. You have to, this is my header. Okay, so in apply filters in header, in order to apply filters in header, so just select header where you want to apply the filter. If in my case I'm going to apply one header only. So here if I want to apply the filter, just you have to click on data in Excel. Now find the sort and filters option into data, and now you have to click on filters, so you can see all headers applied filters. Okay, so in just go ahead little bit, and I'm going to show you how to use the filter. What is the use of filter? Okay, so in order to use the filters, I just applied filter here as you can see, and here I am going to show you how to use the filter, how to find if, content in Excel. Like, so if in this header I'm going to click on filter icon, and you can see I have three unique data here. If I select this data only, if I click OK, then you can see this data rows only applied, only appear here because I'm select the in filter. Okay, if I select two unique data, if I click, then both data rows or data or column will come here. So if you have huge data, and you there is a huge filter here. If you want to find content in filter, you can find like short text filter. You have to go in text filter, you go to the content, and here you have to type, select the content. You can select like lesser or equal, begin with the word, begin with you can type here, does not begin with you can type here, in with you can type here, does not end with you can type here. But normal generally people use the content. Okay, content mean you have to type here content that uh, you know uh, content has in this cell. Okay, so I'm just type the content like Lani and click. So all Lani words which has all rows has Lani words will appear here. So you can see that is how you can use the filter in easy way. There is a many way you can use a filter, like text. You can see content does not contain custom filter. Okay, so here you, this is custom filter. Okay, to repeat any single character. Okay, so this is in deep. There is a many settings filter. If you are updated Excel, will you will have the many options. So this is general normal. You can use in filters. You can create filters and apply filters in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for